Hello everyone. Welcome to today's session. Today we're exploring Microsoft Copilot, your AI powered assistant built right into the Microsoft 365 apps you use every day. We'll start with a quick overview of what Copilot is and how it works, then walk through its homepage features, and finally see it in action with a live demonstration. So, whether you're new to Copilot or looking to make the most of it, this video will give you a clear and practical understanding. But before you move on with the session, make sure that you've subscribed to IP Specialist on YouTube and don't forget to hit the bell icon for updates. Now, before we dive into the details, let's take a quick look at where Microsoft Copilot fits in the broader Microsoft ecosystem. As you can see in this chart, Microsoft offers a wide range of services from Microsoft Azure and Dynamics 365 to GitHub and Power Platform. Among these, Microsoft 365 Copilot is a part of Microsoft 365 family. It's one of those several specialized Copilot tools designed to bring AI assistance directly into the products we use every day. So, what exactly is Microsoft Copilot? Microsoft 365 Copilot is an AI powered productivity assistant integrated into apps like Word, Excel, PowerPoint, Outlook, and Teams. It leverages large language models combined with your data in Microsoft Graph, such as emails, calendars, chats, documents, and much more, to provide intelligent assistance. The main goal of Copilot is to help you work smarter and not harder. It automates repetitive tasks, enhancing productivity, and even sparks creativity by generating content, summarizing information, and offering real time suggestions, all within the apps you're already using. So, how to get Microsoft Copilot? To start using Microsoft Copilot, simply visit Microsoft Copilot website and sign in with your Microsoft account. And if you're already using Microsoft 365, you may find Copilot features built directly into apps like Word, Excel, and Teams. For advanced features, you can upgrade to Copilot Pro through your Microsoft 365 subscription. Now let's move on to Microsoft Copilot plans. Microsoft Copilot follows a freemium model, which basically means that it offers both free and paid tiers. With the free version, users can access most of Copilot's core features, which includes default chatbots like the standard Copilot Assistant and the Microsoft Designer, which helps you generate images from text prompt using the built-in image creator. And for those looking for more advanced capabilities, Microsoft Copilot Pro is a paid subscription. It gives users priority access to new features, including the ability to create custom chatbots tailored to their own specific needs. This tiered approach makes Copilot flexible, whether you're a casual user or someone who needs more control and creative power. Now that we have covered what Microsoft Copilot is and how you can access it, let's dive into how it actually works, the intelligence behind the assistant. At a high level, Copilot brings together three major components. The first is the large language model. These are advanced AI models developed by OpenAI, capable of understanding and generating human like text. They form the brain of Copilot, helping it understand your request, generate summaries, draft emails, create content, and much more. Next is the Microsoft Graph. This is the gateway to your organizational data. It includes your emails, calendar, chats, documents, meetings, and more. Copilot securely accesses this data to provide personalized, relevant responses. So instead of generic answers, it can pull real time context from your actual work. And finally, Microsoft 365 contextual awareness. What sets Copilot apart is its ability to understand the app you're working in. For instance, in Word, it can help draft and edit documents. In Excel, it can analyze trends or generate formulas. And in Teams, it can summarize meetings, notes, or suggest responses, all tailored to what you're doing at that moment. This intelligent integration allows Copilot to act as a real time productivity partner, helping you focus, work faster, and think creatively. Now, let's take a quick look at the high level architecture of Microsoft Copilot. As shown here, when a user gives a prompt inside a Microsoft 365 app, let's say asking Copilot to summarize a document in Word, The request is passed through the Copilot interface. Copilot then connects to three major systems: a large language model from OpenAI to understand and generate human like responses, Microsoft Graph to securely access your work related data, and the application context to tailor the output based on whether you're in Excel, Word, Teams, or another app. Copilot combines insights from the language model, Microsoft Graph, and the app context, processing them together to craft a relevant, intelligent response. The result is highly personalized, context aware AI response delivered directly into your workspace. Now that we understand how Microsoft Copilot works behind the scenes, let's shift our focus to what it can actually do for you inside the Microsoft 365 apps you use every day. Copilot is deeply integrated across Word, Excel, PowerPoint, Outlook, and Teams, each with its own set of tailored capabilities designed to simplify your work, boost productivity, and save time. In Word, Copilot helps you draft content, summarize lengthy documents, and even rewrite text in different tones or styles. In Excel, it can analyze data, create complex formulas, and even build visualizations, all through simple prompts. In PowerPoint, Copilot lets you generate entire slide decks from just a few lines of text, making it easier to turn ideas into presentations. In Outlook, Copilot assists in composing clear emails and replying efficiently, helping you manage communication faster. In Teams, it provides meeting summaries, highlights action items, and keeps everyone aligned, even if you join a meeting late or miss it entirely. Beyond Microsoft 365 apps, Copilot is also expanding into Windows, helping users interact with their system using natural language, and into Security Copilot, which supports IT and security teams by interpreting threat data and accelerating incident response. So, whether you're writing, analyzing, presenting, or collaborating, Copilot is there, making each task simpler, faster, and smarter. With such powerful features across Microsoft 365 apps, Microsoft Copilot brings several key benefits to the table. But there are also a few important considerations to keep in mind. First, let's take a quick look at the key benefits of Microsoft Copilot. Copilot saves time by automating routine tasks, from writing and summarizing to data analysis and meeting notes. It also empowers non technical users to perform complex actions, like building formulas in Excel or designing slides without deep expertise. And most importantly, it acts as a creative partner, helping you explore new ideas, rephrase content, and visualize data in fresh ways. However, while Copilot is powerful, it's not perfect. AI generated output should always be reviewed by the user to ensure accuracy, tone, and relevance. Additionally, since Copilot uses your organizational data, it's designed to operate within your organization's secure Microsoft 365 environment. But data privacy and compliance should still be part of the conversation, especially in sensitive industries. In short, Copilot enhances productivity and creativity, but human oversight and a clear understanding of your data policies remain essential. Now that we have a clear understanding of what Microsoft Copilot is, how it works, and where it fits in the Microsoft ecosystem, let's take a moment to explore its interface. We'll begin with a quick tour of the Microsoft Copilot homepage. This will give you a better idea of how to navigate the platform, what key features are highlighted, and where you can access the tools that matter most to you. So let's dive in. So this is the homepage of the Microsoft Copilot. When you first open Microsoft Copilot, this is the screen you're welcomed with. It's clean, minimal, and clearly focused on helping you get things done efficiently. Here you'll notice a prominent message box asking what can I help you with. This is where you directly interact with Copilot. And just above it, there's a toggle to switch between work and web, allowing you to shift focus based on your needs. Whether you're working on internal documents or need help from the internet, this makes it super flexible. Right below the search box, Copilot gives you a range of smart suggestions, like summarizing messages, checking what's new in your inbox, or even asking about your next meeting with a specific person. These suggestions are tailored and dynamic. They change based on your recent activity and role, making it highly relevant. On the left sidebar, you have access to different sections like chat, agents, conversation, pages, and notebooks. This structure makes it easy to jump between different types of workspaces and content types. Now, if you click on the drop down menu of agents, this section shows a list of available AI agents you can interact with. Each agent may be tailored to specific tasks, like helping with meetings, summarizing documents, or performing data analysis. You can think of them as expert assistants for different jobs. Now, over here, you can view your previous chats with Copilot. It helps you revisit any ongoing discussions or pick up where you left off, just like a chat history. Notebooks are great for long form thinking or planning. You can use them to draft ideas, document insights, or build a structured knowledge base, all powered by AI assistants. In Pages, these are like individual documents where you can create and edit content with the help of Copilot. It's similar to Word Doc, but enhanced with AI suggestions and formatting options. All these sections work together to make Copilot more than just a chatbot. It's a full productivity companion. Next, we have is the create option. This is where you can start something new, like writing a document, building a report, drafting an email, or generating summaries. It's like a shortcut to kickstart your task using Copilot's AI power. Whether it's brainstorming content or generating ideas, this section helps you move from blank page to working draft in seconds. And finally, we have the app section. Here you can explore and access different Microsoft 365 apps that integrate with Copilot, like Word, Excel, Teams, Outlook, and more. Copilot enhances these applications with AI assistance. So, whether you're editing a document or analyzing data in Excel, you can get intelligent help directly inside the app. So, from starting new tasks to connecting with your everyday tools, the Create and Apps option helps make Copilot a seamless part of your workflow. So, overall, the Microsoft Copilot homepage offers a simple yet powerful layout. It's clean, task focused, and provides intelligent suggestions to help you work smarter. If you're just getting started with Copilot, this homepage is a great launchpad to explore its full capabilities. Now that we've explored the Copilot homepage and its key features, it's time to see what Copilot can actually do. I'll walk you through some practical examples from asking questions and generating images to using Copilot in Word, PowerPoint, and Excel. Let's dive into the hands on demonstration quickly. Now, over here, you can type in a prompt, and a prompt can be anything. It can be a question or something you need. For example, let's try typing what is Microsoft Copilot. And over here, you can see a microphone icon. You can use it on your computer to ask something to the Copilot. Now that I've entered my question, let's click on Submit. And look at that. Copilot has responded. It tells exactly what it is. Microsoft Copilot is an AI powered assistant across Microsoft 365 apps. Now, it helps users to draft and edit content, it helps automate repetitive tasks, and it also helps streamline project management and communication. Now, you can keep the conversation going by asking additional follow up questions, and it will remember all of the context of your conversation. So, in the prompt, we're going to ask what are the 10 interesting ways I can use Copilot? So, let's type that and send it through. And there you go. You can see that it has listed 10 interesting ways we can use Copilot. So once you're ready to move on to a new conversation, up at the top right hand corner, you can click on this button to start a new chat. And now we have a clean slate to work with. So far, we've been getting text-based responses back from the AI. However, you can have it create images as well. So let's test that out. We're going to type a prompt saying, make an image of a cookie store on a city street called Alice Cookie Company. And let's see what it comes back with. And look at that. It looks like it has nailed it in the first attempt. But if you're not happy with the output, you can also attempt again until you get the perfect output that you're looking for. Now, you can even upload any kind of image and ask questions about it. The image recognition capability in Copilot with vision multimodal support can be a powerful tool. for analyzing, interpreting, and generating technical content based on images. For example, let's upload a screenshot of terminal showing AWS CLI output. For that, I'm just going to click on the plus sign over here and click on add content. And then I'm going to click on this upload from this device sign, go on desktop and upload my file. Now I'm going to type in my prompt saying explain what this command and output means. And there you go. Copilot has responded with a complete explanation about the image uploaded. So this is how you can use it for your lab troubleshooting sections or hands-on course modules. Now, along with generating images, you can also extend the power of Copilot by using agents. You can think of them as your own personalized digital experts, each with specialized role ready to help you save time, make decisions, and create with ease. Let's click on all agents. Now over here you can see a list of agents available for your use. These are some of the agents built by Microsoft. Let's start with Researcher. You can think of it as a supercharged research partner that helps you gather, analyze, and summarize information, whether from the web, your Word documents, or both. To use this agent, let's click on Open. So let's say you're tasked with writing a new module on Azure Virtual Network Pairing. So we're going to type in a prompt saying summarize the concept of Azure Virtual Network Pairing and compare it with VPN Gateway, and press Enter. And there you go. Copilot has responded with a complete summary of Azure Virtual Network Pairing, and it has compared it with VPN Gateway. So instead of opening 5 tabs and reading endless documents, Researcher gives me a precise, simplified summary. I can now use this as a draft for the intro slide of my course. Next, let's take a quick look at a visual creator agent. It can quickly generate professional quality visuals for your YouTube thumbnails, blog images, or LinkedIn post without needing to open Photoshop or Canva. Let's say I'm creating a slide or blog post about the shared responsibility model in cloud computing, and I want a visual to explain it simply. I'm just simply going to type a prompt saying create an illustration of shared responsibility model in cloud computing showing split responsibilities between cloud provider and customer, and press enter. Here you can see it has successfully generated an image on the shared responsibility model in cloud computing. Next, let's use another amazing agent called Writing Coach. Writing Coach agents can provide helpful guidance for your writing. It can provide a wide range of suggestions to help users refine their writing. Suggestions can include ways to improve grammar, clarity, coherence, and key concepts and details to focus on. Let's click on Add. And there you go. You can start working with the Writing Coach agent. Let's say you want to polish your script based on Azure storage. You can simply paste your draft and start working with it. So I'm just simply going to paste my draft over here and also write the prompt, rewrite this to sound more engaging and professional, and press enter. Now if you take a look at this output, you'll see how it's polished, natural, and instructor-like, which helps boost learner engagement. So overall, these Copilot agents are like your backstage team. They let you focus on the creative and strategic side of your work, while they handle the heavy lifting. Alright, moving on, let's now look at how you can use Copilot in some of the Microsoft 365 applications. Let's start by looking at Microsoft PowerPoint to see how Copilot can help you create visually engaging presentations, generate slide content, and even redesign your slides with just a simple prompt. Over here on the top right side, you can see an icon for Copilot. Let's click on that. It opens up a pane over on the right hand side. Here you can see some example prompts and you can also type in your own prompts. Now let's say I want to create a new presentation. So over here, I'll click on this sample prompt and here it inserts create a presentation about, and I want it to be about cloud computing. So I'll just type over here, cloud computing, and press enter. And see, it has started generating presentation topics for you. And look at that. It has generated some slides for you. And it has shown the estimated number of slides to be 20. Now, if you want to delete any of the slide that you do not need, you can just simply click on delete topic. And I'm just gonna click on generate slides and wait for it. And look at how it has created an entire presentation for you. So we're just gonna keep it for now. So this is how our presentation looks like. Now I might want to modify some of these images, but this gives me a really good starting point. At the top, you can just click on design suggestions, and here it's going to take the existing slide and it will use AI to continue refining the slide. So over here, you can select whatever design seems appropriate to you. For me, I think this is going to work well. So I'm going to choose this, and it has transformed the image like I wanted. Now let's quickly jump into Microsoft Word. And just like PowerPoint, here in Word also on the top ribbon, you can see the icon of Copilot. You can just simply click on it to start working with it. Now over here, just like PowerPoint, you have some sample prompts to work with. And over here, you can type in your own prompt. So we're going to type a prompt saying, write a blog on cloud computing and press enter. And look at that. It has quickly generated a complete blog for you on cloud computing. Now, if you want to specify anything else you want to cover in your blog, you can simply type over here, or you can even add some prompts from here, like add real world examples of cloud computing or include challenges or risk of cloud adoption. Now, I can simply copy this blog and paste it in the editor and start working with it. Now, let's scroll up. Over here, you can see a small icon of Copilot. You can use it to perform any of these actions. You can either keep writing this, you can structure and refine your blog, and also insert a summary. Now over here, let's click on insert summary. And it's creating a draft. And look at that. Just within a few seconds, it has generated a complete summary for your blog. Let's click on keep it. So similarly, you can just ask the Copilot to make any changes you want in your document. You can also enter a prompt to make the content sound more professional, or you can even make it brief or whatever you like. Now let's quickly jump into Microsoft Excel. Now here I am in Microsoft Excel, and I have a data table showing me the year and the most popular cloud service provider with the largest market share that year. Now same as PowerPoint and Word, we have Copilot at the top right corner. Let's click on it. Now over here as well, we have some sample prompts, but we're going to type our own prompt saying highlight all the cells where AWS is the most popular service provider. And Copilot has responded. And here it shows a custom formula that I can use to highlight those cells. Now I think all of these recommendations looks good. So down below, I'm just gonna click on apply. And it's applying the changes in the table. And there you go. It highlights each row where AWS is the most popular provider. This really helps me visualize the data a lot more easily. Let's try one more example. Let's see if Copilot can help me visualize this data as a chart. So over here, I'm just going to type my prompt. I'll type in generate a chart showing me market size by year. And let's run that. And here you can see that it has generated a chart. Let's click on add to a new sheet. Now over here you can see our table and the chart. Now these were just a few examples of how you can use Copilot to start analyzing your data in Excel. You don't really have to know that much about formulas and functions. Instead, you can work alongside the Copilot to make sense of your data. So, those were just a few examples of how you can use Copilot in Microsoft 365 apps. Of course, there are many other Microsoft 365 apps. One thing you'll notice is that Copilot is context aware. When you're in PowerPoint, it helps you with your slides and storytelling. In Excel, it helps you with data analysis. And in Word, it helps you with writing. Each app has its own Copilot that is fine-tuned to what you're trying to get done. And that wraps up our overview of Microsoft Copilot. As you have seen, it's more than just an assistant. It's a powerful tool that enhances productivity, streamlines workflows, and integrates seamlessly with the Microsoft 365 applications you already use. That concludes our session for today. Thank you for watching this video. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel. And also share it with your colleagues or friends who might benefit from this information. If you have any questions or topics that you would like us to cover in the future videos, feel free to leave a comment below. Your feedback is very valuable to us.